Welcome to Ghost Academy. Today I am gonna make a multi-decoder tool. Before going on to code, I need to install required Python module for this. Open up your terminal or command prompt and type pip install codext. Now let's move on to the code. First we import the module by typing import codext. For example, I am going to show you how to encode and decode using base 64. Type codext.encode and within brackets the text you want to encode, and after comma I type the encode method, in our case it's base 64. Now you can see the output. So next I am going to decode that text we got after encoding. Type codext.decode and within brackets the text you want to decode, and after comma I type the decode method. We can also guess the encoding of the ciphertext using guess method like this. And to view all encoding methods we can type codext.list encodings. It will display all encoding methods. Let's get on to the GUI program I have made with PyQt5 library. I have defined 4 functions to encode, decode, clear and copy. You can understand what those functions do when seeing the code. Let's run this program and see what it looks like. You can encode or decode using any method in this program. For example, base 64, binary, Morse code, etc. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.